kindergarten. Today for math, we're going to do a little review with time. And I'm going to do this with you. So you need a pencil and a crayon, any color you would like. We're going to start with you putting your name up at the top. So everyone, please right now, write your name. Make it real nice for me. Now, we're going to go through each row. I'm going to ask you the question, and then you are going to color in the dot under where you think the answer is. I'm not going to do anything on here. I want you to do it, and then I'm going to check your paper later. So everybody point to the duck row. In the duck row, I want you to look at the red clock. Look at the time on the red clock, the analog clock. Would you please match that time on the digital clock? Which one has the same time? Please color the dot underneath. Now let's go to the heart row. We're going to do the same thing. Look at the red analog clock. What time is it? Now, would you please find the digital clock to match and color into the dot that matches this clock? Now we're going to go to the shamrock row. We're just going to do it the opposite way. In the shamrock row, we have the digital clock. Read what time is it? Now, could you find which analog clock has the same time as this digital clock? Please color the dot now. Butterfly row. Please read the time on this digital clock. Now look at your analog clocks. Please find which one matches this digital time. Color in the dot now. Last one on this page, the star row. Looking at these two pictures, I want to know which activity would take place during the day. So let's look at the pictures. This picture shows the sun is out in the window and they're having something to eat. This picture shows a little girl sleeping and we see the stars and the moon out the window. So which one of these pictures would be during the daytime? Please color the dot next to which one of these pictures is during the day. Alright, let's turn our paper over. Now we're going to practice our calendar, and you're going to need your pencil to write some numbers with me. In the duck row, okay, it says February 24th. I want to know what would be just after February 24th, 3rd. So if we look up here, we have February 23rd. I want to know what day is after. So if we look, what would be after 23? That's the number you're going to write here. Okay, now in the heart row, we see we have February 15th. We want to know what day is just before February 15th. So if we look up here in our calendar, here's February 15th, and we look what is before it. Here is our number. This is the number that now we want to write right here in the heart row. Now let's go to the shamrock row. And we have February 25th and February 27th. I want to know what is between the 25th and the 27th. So let's go up here and we see February 25th and February 27th. What would be the number between them? We write that number here on the line. And then our last one, the butterfly row. We're going to do this one together. They want to know from February 9th to February 12th is how many days. So let's go up to our calendar. Let's circle February 9th and circle February 12th. And now we're going to count how many days it is from the 9th to the 12th. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to come down here and we're going to write 4. It is 4 days between February 9th and February 12th. Thank you for doing this paper with me. Make sure you put it in your envelope